Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a moving zoom picture edit using the new transform feature on CapCut. So here I've already imported a picture, and if you want to have a moving zoom picture edit, you can just click on the photos that you add to CapCut and find the transform menu. Click on that. And in here, adjust the scale, so make it zoom in like this, and then click on the position tab. Now you can just add a keyframe. Click on this, add a keyframe, and then change the position like this. Then move forward and then add another keyframe and move your picture again by sliding to the X and Y axis. Now move forward again, add another keyframe, then move it like this. So you can just move it around to the directions that you want. So if you just swiping through the axis, there will be another keyframe created automatically like that. So you can just move it around to directions that you want. Okay, so when you're done, just click on the check icon and your picture will be like this. So the moving zoom picture edit will be created. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment. Bye.